When you're a fifth of a mile in the air, nothing comes easily. That includes electricity. The farther power flows from its source, the weaker it gets. PG&E has worked with Salesforce Tower developer Boston Properties to make sure such line loss is not a problem inside San Francisco's tallest building. The tower recently switched over to permanent PG&E power and is scheduled to open in the fall.
With tall buildings come tall challenges, and those challenges sometimes come in the form of how do you get the electricity all the way up to the top of the building without losing the electricity, without having it diminish. And PG&E actually helped us work on resolving that issue in the design with the design team so that our electrical power all the way up the building is very reliable and very constant and consistent.
To ensure that reliability, the tower has more power infrastructure than any other office building in town. Its 2 miles of electric cable run longer than the Golden Gate Bridge. Its 7 transformers are each the size of a delivery van and are nearly double the typical 4 transformers per big office building. All in, the tower's energy infrastructure is enough to power 1,000 single-family homes. It took about 80 PG&E employees and contractors nearly 5 years to design and build out the job.
Infrastructure that's required to support these buildings needs to be done years in advance. So we've been working with the architects and engineers for this building and buildings like it across the city so far in advance to organize the giant dance of how we're going to get the infrastructure to these buildings in an affordable and efficient way.
But the effort is worth it because steady power will help the Bay Area grow.
This building is just a great example of the important role that we play in the economy here in Northern California. Without us, this building couldn't operate. The people in this building couldn't function in the way they need to function. And it's just an awesome and awe-inspiring experience to be reminded every day of the important role that we play here to provide for the needs of 14 million Californians.
For Currents, I'm Jennifer Robison.